Hey, Ozark Geek here. What am I got going here? Another tarp project, if you will. This is the RV trailer that we pulled down here when we moved down here 4.5 years ago, working on. It's a 1991 Fleetwood Prowler. It's 32 foot, and so we're going to put it up for sale. So we're trying to make sure that it stays good, stays fresh, if you will. We decided to, since roofs are so sensitive, the rubber membrane roofs, they leak, have a potential of leaking along the seams. I've gone through and sealed this before we moved down and checked it inside before covering it. We put 2 different sets of tarps over it since we set it aside and we bought our new RV, which looks kind of like that. But anyway, the previous sets of tarps that we put on came from Harbor Freight, and the wind just tore them all to daylights, which is why I had to redo them. And after doing the skirting project that we did on our new camper, I decided, hey, what if we took and bought one of these 11 mil tarps, which is easily 2 times thicker than the Harbor Freight tarps. And so what I did is I bought one of the specialty tarps. We bought this one as a 10 foot by 40 foot. And as you can see, it overhangs in the front. It also overhangs in the back. And it overhangs on both sides. That way we make sure that we keep the edges on the roof covered and protected from any possible deterioration in rain. And so what I did is I bought one that has what they call sleeves in it, sleeve cutouts. This is part of a billboard sign, and the way they put it in the billboard sign, they just put pipes through it and tie around it on the back side to hold it on. And when they need to take it off and change it, they just cut the ropes off and put a new billboard up and do that. So what I did is I used those sleeves and put 1.5 inch PVC down the length of it. So I've got 3 10-foot joints, or pieces with the couplers inside it. Slid it down, made sure it goes over both sides, and then tied it down. So hopefully between the PVC being tied down over the edges on the side and tying it down on the back, we shouldn't have any problems. Last weekend I tried to do this, and the wind came around, started blowing up the back end, took the whole thing off the roof, and it came down and hit me in the head. Not a fun afternoon. So this time I tried doing something different. I figure I'll probably have things like that jet aircraft that's flying across up there, looking down on here, trying to read what that billboard says. If they can read it, fine. If they can't, that's fine too. Normally these have they're, if you will, 2-sided, and the back side, if I can see it here, is black. Yeah, I decided that the black would capture heat and pass too much heat through on the roof. So what it is what it is. I put the sign side up, and we'll go from there. But until I can get this thing sold, this is probably the way it'll sit. And I'll be able to show the trailer, the doors, both doors open. They can get inside and look around. This is a pretty nice trailer, but being as how it's pushing what, 30 plus years now, things are wearing out on it. The air conditioner quit, and I can't find one that fits it. The thermostat quit at the same time. There's got to be something common in that. And the refrigerator quit. All of those things are potentially fixable. I just don't have the money to do it. So I'm going to sell it as is. And we still got the hitch for it sitting on the front, on the tongue there, next to the tire. But so the idea is the tarp is to help protect the roof until we can sell it, and then Whoever the new owner is will have to work with it. But I know at least as of today, there were no leaks in it. So that's good. I was going to try to do this all as one project and let you see it, but it's just too much work going back and forth and tying it down. And for me, the important thing was not to have that thing blow off the roof again while I was working on it. So I just decided to do kind of an after effects video. Hopefully you like it. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Give me any questions, and when I get ready to post this, I'll put a link to where I bought the tarp. The company's got good deals, and they will give you, once you buy something, they'll give you a coupon code for 10% off your next purchase. And this is probably I believe this is my third purchase with them for various tarps. Anyway, hope you like it. Ozark Geek out. Have a wonderful day.